It is possible to customize the GSI 39 default settings from the program mode. To enter program mode, press the PROG button on the front panel of the instrument. When program mode is entered, there will be a list of customizable parameters for the GSI 39, including the probe, tympanometry, reflex display, printing, and more. Use the left and right arrow keys and the attenuator knob to move through the list of options on the screen. The page button is used to enter the submenu of an option. The M+ toggles an option on or off. An asterisk appears to the left of the item to denote the item has been selected. Pressing the M+ again removes the asterisk, which deselects an item. The word Save should appear on the lower right corner of the LCD screen after the M+ button has been selected. The parameters selected in the program mode will load when a test type button is pressed. Some parameters can be changed during testing by simply selecting other buttons on the front panel of the instrument.